Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the numericals on Kirchhoff's current law application. The Kirchhoff's current law application is nodal analysis. Now, what is nodal analysis? In which at every junction we will consider sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Let us take a simple example of nodal analysis. Okay, this is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 volt, 15 volt. So this is the numerical given to you. Now what you have to do is you have to find the current in all the branches. Okay, now step 1, name the nodes. Now this is a node as the two circuit elements meeting at a point. This is A. There are three circuit elements meeting at a point. This is a junction C and D. Find junctions. Now there are how many junctions? What is a junction? Where more than two circuit elements meets at a point, or you can say three or more than three circuit elements meets at a point. The junction is B. As the three circuit elements are meeting, D. Okay, now at B, give, or you can say satisfy Kirchhoff's current law. So I am applying Kirchhoff's current law. Let us suppose I have considered I1 here, and here I2, and here I3. Okay, that is I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So what is the current? If you see, the current is voltage upon resistance. Now this current is flowing from this point to this point. This is a branch of this current I1. Now from here we have started. Okay. Now the total number of junctions are B and D. Now in this case, you will consider nodal voltages. Okay, VB and D is equal to 0. That is the reference voltage. The number of nodal voltages is 1. That is, here I have considered the voltage is VD and here it is 0. The reference junction, it is also called as the reference junction. The leftover junction is called as the reference junction. Okay. Now, here the current coming is I3, you can say, and it is again I1 going. Okay. Now, at I1, it is coming from this 0 volt, 0. Negative to positive we are moving, plus 15. The total voltage between D to B we are considering, and we are going in the direction of this B. That is, what is the potential over here? VB, that is minus VB. What is current? Voltage upon resistance. What is the resistance in this branch? 2 ohm. In I2. I2 is flowing from B to D. Now the current is flowing from B to D. Current always flow from higher potential to lower potential, and we start from VB minus lower potential, that is 0. Upon what is the resistance? That is 3 ohm. I3. It is starting from B, that is VB, potential positive to negative, minus 10 up to D, minus 0 divided by what is the resistance? 5 ohm. Now solve this. Now on solving this, take LCM. Okay, as a 30 as a LCM take. And what will happen? 15 15 is 225 minus 15 dB is equal to 10 VB plus 6 VB minus 60. Now 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 15 31 VB. Take 225 plus 60, that is 285. Okay, 31 VB. Now what is VB? It is 285 upon 31. Now this is your potential across V. So what is I1 then? Now you can find out I1. It is 15 minus VB upon 2. Now you have find out the VB. That is 285 by 31. Okay. Now take 31 LCM. 31 into 15. 5. 15. 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. 465. That is 465 minus 285 divided by 2. Okay. Into 31. Now 465 minus 285 is 0. 16 minus 8, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 180. So it is 180 by 62. You have get I1. Okay. You have find out the I1. Now what is I2? I2 is VB by 3. What is VB? 285 by 31 into 3, that is 285 by 93. What is I3? V2D. Okay. I3. VB minus 10 by 5. What is VB? 285 by 31 minus 10 by 5. Okay. That is 285 minus 310 by 155. Okay. So this is 15 minus 25 by 155. So this is the answer. Okay. So like this way I will conclude. I1 is, you have find out I1, that is 180 by 62. I2 is 285 by 93, and I3 is minus 25 by 155. As the answer is negative, it means the current so flowing will be in opposite direction. This will be its actual direction. Okay, instead of this. Now thank you so much. This is a numerical number 1 of nodal analysis. Second numerical I will also proceed in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.